Hello friends, welcome all of you in my channel SNT Power Vision. Now in the first exercise real numbers we are going to solve the MCQ that stands for multiple choice questionnaire. Here means for one question with the four answers given like A, B, C, D. You have to select the correct one here. So there are some tips here. First thing, like see as long as you are finding suppose A, B, C, D, you know that A is correct here. Just mark it quickly and proceed to the next question here, and whatever question you are comfortable with, please solve those questions as well, because there are if you going for like olympiad or some like entrance exam and all, so there is factor also matter, like okay in 30 minutes you have to solve 25 question or 30 question also. In that case time management matter, like there the only key means you have to be very quick here. So let's start here. Even I will try to show you how what should be your approach here to solve the MCQ question here. So first question here is like which of the following is a pair of co-primes here? If you mean co-prime means here the number we should not have common factor here. So just take an example like answer means option A 1435. So here we know that 7 is the common factor between 14 and 35. And second is the 18 and 25 here. 18 25 we know that for 25 is the 5 square means 5 into 5, and in 18 it is not divisible by 5 here. So here one answer B here, like that it should be your approach here. Second question, A is equal to 2 square into 3 cube into 5 square into 5. B is equal to 2 cube into 3 square into 5. After that, here SCF of A and B here. So if you talk about SCF here, as I said, we have to take the minimum here, like it is 3, 2. So take 2 square here. After here 3 and 2. So we'll take 3 square into 5 here. So here one thing you should also quick in the math means multiplication also. Don't expect that okay 2 into 2 it will take 4, then 3 into 3 into 9. After that like see don't spend time on writing so much steps here. So like 4 9 ja 36, 36 5 ja 180, like that here. So SCF is 180 here means answer is B here. You have to mark this. Question number 3. Like here the three number given, 2 square into 3 square into 5. One number, then 2 square into 3 cube into 5 square, and then 2 to the power 4 into 3 into 5 cube into 7 here. While taking SCF, I said we have to take the minimum, like here 2 square, 2 square, 2, 4. So it should be 2 square into 3 square, 3 cube, 3. So here you will take 3 only. After that 5 cube, 5 square, 5 to the power 1 we can say. So 5 for 7 don't any common here. So here 2 square into 3 into 5. 4 3 are 12 into 5 60. So SCF is 660 here. Now fourth question is, now this time we have to find the LCM, like 2 cube into 3 into 5. After that 2 to the power 4 into 5 into 7 here. So we have to take the highest here, like 3, 4. So 2 to the power 4 here. After here we have 3, don't, but we will take it 3. After here 5, 5. So we will take it into 7 here. Now 2 to the power 4 is 16. 16 into 3, 48, 48 into 5, 240, 240 into 7 is equal to 1680. So this is the LCM. Now fifth is SCF of two number is 27. Like we can write SCF. LCM is 162 here. If one of the number is 54, what is the other? So we'll say 27 into 162. The product of the number 54 into B here. So we'll take that formula here. 27 into 2. So B is equal to 81. Like that you have to do the calculation quickly here just to save the time. Now normally what happens, suppose you have that approach that you have to be the quick and all. Suppose in last time it happened that some question takes time only. So you can spend time on those questions also if you have to save time in the earlier question. That should be your approach also. So to solve this question you have to take care of time as well. Now sixth question is product of two number is 1600 means of A into B 1600. SCF is 5 into LCM. Here LCM is equal to 320 like that. Question number 7. What is the largest number that divides each one of 1150 to 1664 exactly here? So the here since if you see the option here like 32, 64, 128 to 56 and all. So it will be a bit difficult here. So better what to say. We'll go for 1152. It is say we can say here unit place is 2, it means it is divisible by 2 only. So it would we will divide it by 2. Answer will be 5576 again divided by 2. Means we can take this approach here 1152 2 576 288 again by 2 144 like that again 2 72 again 2 36 again 2 18 again 2 9. So here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So we can take here like 2 to the power 7 into 3 square. Now next number is the 1664. So we delete this. यहाँ कह रहे थे ना ऑर्डर कर लो 832. Now 416 208 104 52 again 26 again to 13 here. So let's revise the thing. 1664 here means 832 416 208 104 52 26 13 here. So if you see here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 here. So here it will be 2 to the power 7 into 13 here. Since we are talking about what is the largest number that divide each one of the 1152 and 1664, it means here we have to find the SCF here. SCF is equal to 2 to the power 7 is equal to 2 to the power 7 if you take here 2 4 2 8 16, 32, 32 into 64 and 128 here. This is the answer here. After, what is the largest number that divides 70 and 125? If you see here, like 125 can be written as 5 cube, and in the 75 is the common factor here, and leaving remainders 5 and 8 respectively here. So, sorry for the misunderstanding, like 70 and 125, if you divide it here, like leaving remainders 5 and 8 respectively here. So 70, if we do the minus 5 here, it will be 65. 125 minus 8 is equal to 117. If you look at here, 65 can be written as 13 into 5. 117 13 into 9 here. So 13 is the SCF here. So this is the first part, like we have solved 1 to 8 here. So in the second video, I'll solve 9 to 18 here, like what should be our approach here. So please like, share and subscribe my channel SNT Power Vision. Thank you.